Hello folks, welcome back to the Sawmill. Today's video, we're going to try to repair a alternator belt that broke on us the last time I was milling, and it sits in here behind this drive pulley, and I have to take the drive belt off and several of these covers to get to this alternator pulley that sits right in behind here. But come along with us and let's try to get this thing fixed. Alright, we got I got my belt back on, got my drive belt back on, everything's nice and tight. Ready just to put the guards back on and we'll be done. Okay, not too bad. We got her on and we're ready to saw again. Took probably 15-20 minutes. Just taking the guards off probably takes more time than anything else. Time you take this guard off and this one, and there's another guard inside there. But well, that's all there is to it. Set up and ready to saw again.